Hey guys, today in Kiwanna's kitchen I'm going to show you all how to make creamy garlic butter Tuscan salmon. This salmon recipe is very simple and easy to make, so if you want to see how I do it, keep watching. Okay guys, what I'm doing here, I have my salmon on a plate. My daughter washed the fish for me, so I'm going on with some of my lemon and herb Old Bay seasoning. If you just want to use salt and pepper, you can do that, but I love the flavor of lemon on my fish, okay? So now I'm going in my pan here with that I have olive oil in, and we're just going to give our fish a good sear, skin side down first, and then we're going to go ahead and just flip these over, and we're going to give them a good sear on the other side as well. And it should take maybe like 3 to 4 minutes, if that. Just when you see, that they are nicely golden brown, pretty much like this right here. So I'm going to go ahead and take my fish out of my pan here. And we're going to set this to the side and we're going to work on our sauce. So now I'm just going in that same oil that the fish was in with some butter, because you want to have all the flavor you can in your sauce here. So I'm just going in with some butter. I'm going to add in some minced garlic. That's about a tablespoon or so. We're going to go ahead and just give that a good mix. And then I'm going to add in my tomatoes. I'm using cherry tomatoes. And this is about 2 cups of cherry tomatoes that I pretty much just cut in half. So we're just going to go ahead and let those cook a little bit before we go in with our spinach. And this is some fresh spinach that I'm going in with. And we're going to go ahead and just kind of give this a good mix in with the tomatoes until it kind of wilts down a bit. And I only use half a bag of that spinach. That may look like a lot of spinach, like the whole bag, but no, that's only half of that bag. So we want to just go ahead and give that a good sear until it looks like this right here. So now we are going to add in our milk. And I'm using heavy cream and milk combined, okay? If you want to use all heavy cream, you can, but I just kind of mixed it half and half. So we're going to go go ahead and give that a good mix. And then oh god, I can't talk now. I added in some dried parsley, and I also added in some fresh Romano cheese, and we're going to go ahead and just let this kind of simmer, and then it will reduce and thicken up, pretty much looking like this right here. And also, guys, I want to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Guys, welcome to my channel. And for that have not subscribed yet, but you're watching, please subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of my uploads. And also hit that notification bell, which will kind of help you so that you don't miss an upload, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get our fish back into our sauce here. And we're going to go ahead and just let this continue to cook. And if you had any doubts that your salmon may not be done, by adding it back into the sauce here, the salmon will continue to cook, okay? And we're just going to go ahead and just let this cook for about 5 minutes or so. But I want to get some of that sauce right on top, and just so all the flavor can be all over my salmon. And then I have a lemon, a half a lemon that I cut in half, and we're just going ahead and squeeze that juice all over the top, okay? And I just kind of got my hand out there, and just to catch those seeds. You don't want seeds in your food, okay? So now I'm going ahead and put you guys a plate together. I have some rice there, just some regular old rice. You will use whatever kind of rice you want, okay? This is just a regular white rice, and I'm just going ahead, get my salmon on top, and get some of that yummy sauce on top as well. So that's pretty much it for my video, guys, showing you how I make my creamy garlic butter Tuscan salmon. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Support my channel by subscribing, and until next time, you guys take care. Bye.